Thinking of starting retinol in your anti-aging skincare? Don't jump into using retinol before knowing how to use it the best way possible. Retinol is a form of vitamin A. It is a powerhouse ingredient in skincare which is known for promoting cell turnover, reducing fine lines, fading acne marks, and improving skin texture. While retinol is easily available over the counter in the form of serums, creams, moisturizers, etc., retinoid, which is more potent in form, is prescription based and should only be used under your dermatologist's supervision. When you are beginning to use retinol for the first time, you need to keep a few things in mind. Start with the lowest concentration of retinol, very gentle and beginner friendly. You can use any serum of your choice. Layering is the key to maximize the benefits while minimizing irritation. To incorporate retinol effectively into your skincare routine, you need to be consistent and patient as well. Don't overdo and start using retinoid for an immediate fix influenced by someone on the internet. It is to be used only with your doctor's supervision. If you have wounded skin for some reason or have active pus-filled acne, avoid using retinol until your skin gets healed. Our skin gets repaired and rejuvenated in the night. It is best to include retinol in the nighttime skincare routine and maximize its benefits. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove any impurities from your skin. Follow with a hydrating toner or essence to prep your skin. You can use hyaluronic acid serum after this and then apply a few drops of retinol serum or a cream. To layer a moisturizer after applying retinol. When you are new to retinol, start with a lower concentration and use it 1 or 2 times a week and gradually increase frequency depending on your skin's tolerance. As retinol increases photosensitivity, you must use a broad spectrum sunscreen during the daytime. Avoid combining retinol with exfoliants or acids on the same night to prevent over irritation. Avoid using retinol if you are pregnant or trying to conceive or breastfeeding. Be gentle, don't overdo and go with the flow. Your skin will thank you. Take care.